Hi, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Rich Luck Insider, a place where future millionaires come together to get ideas. Today, I'm gonna talk about three next potential GameStop stocks that I'm trading right now. If this is your first time to Rich Side Insider, we talk about stock investing, real estate investing, and how to make more money. So if you want to make more money, so make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you do not miss any of my videos. And at the end of the video, you can get free stocks and audiobooks in the description and comment. So look at the GameStop uh, price 5 days ago, 1 week ago. It was only $39.23, and 1 week later, it hit 347. That's crazy. That's pretty much crazy. Look at that. Look at that. And today, right now, it's $325. It came back down, but all-time high was $483, and market cap is 22.67 billion for the company that looks like going to go bankrupt. So if you look at 1 month ago, it was only $19. That's more than 10 times. So that's pretty crazy, almost 20 times. If you look at the price for 83. So let's look at the news about GameStop insider sold stock just before it went vertical. That's pretty crazy. Just imagine if you were the management of the GameStop, you sold the stocks just before it became $300, $400. That would be pretty crazy, right? So I did a little bit of research. Who were these guys who sold the stock just before it happened? So on January 13, at least two company insiders sold more than 2.6 million worth of stock. So one of them was Kathy Patterson. She sold 1.4 million shares at around 27.99. And Rahul Fernandez sold about 1.22 million at 35 point at average price of 35.28. So if you just imagine, let's let's say the stock price was 347 on January 27, exactly 2 weeks after they sold the stock. So 27.99 to 347 is over 12.4 times. So she would have made 70.36 million, if she had the stock for 2 weeks later. And this guy, he sold around 35.28. So if he has sold around $347, then he will have made more than 9 times. So 11.95 million. That's a big difference. So 2 weeks can change your life. So make sure you study hard and make sure you subscribe to this channel. 2 weeks can change your life. So look at this. That's a big difference between a small house, a mansion. So that's a very big difference. 1 million and 11.17 million and 11.95 millions. That's a big difference. So I want you to get this mansion, not a small house. So make sure you study really hard. So keep watching. Okay. So I'm sure that they must be thinking like, why did I sell the stocks 2 weeks ago? So that's changed my life forever. So guess stock number 3 that I have been trading this week. So that's Express. So this company was based in Ohio. It has more than 590 stores in US and Puerto Rico. It was founded in 1980, but it's one of the retailers that has been struggling because of the pandemic, as well as people move to online shopping. So, but they do have the e-commerce website. So look at the stock price. So it was only 1.17. So on January 21, it jumped to 9.55. So and today is $6. $6. It came back down a little bit, but it's still much higher than 1 month ago, which was 95 cents only. Just imagine if you were somebody who bought it at this price and had it until right now. That's a big difference. Yeah, that's a big difference. So 52 week highs is 13.97. So market cap was only 389 millions right now. So compared to GameStop stock right now 22.67. So maybe this could be the next GameStop production next GameStop stock, because it's only 389 millions, and they also have a high short interest as well. So just hope for somebody is going to pump this express buy just like that they did for the GameStop. So congratulations if you are my trading and Palantir patrons. I sent out this alert on January 25th. So I bought Express Inc. at $3.39. So I sent out a notice. So if you bought it, congratulations. So guess stock number 2. What stock did this? Have you tried any of this before? This looks like beverages. This is the hint below. National Beverage Corporations. Yeah, these are all the drinks and sodas that they sell. So this is another stock that I've been trading. So 2 weeks ago, 7 days ago, it's only $94.99 USD. It jumped to 181 on January 27. So today it's 151. It came back down, but I think it's gonna go back up again. But it might be really hard to break $200. So it tried to hit $200, but it couldn't get past above 196.43. So today, it tried to do that, but it did not get past that. So it's only 7.07 billion market cap right now, but it also has a very high interest, short interest. So and this is a great company. Unlike GameStop, National Beverage is a great company. They make money, so I don't mind holding it. Let's look at the GameStop, 22.67 billion, and this is only 7.07 billion. So that's a big difference. So that could be the next GameStop stock as well. Congratulations on my stock members. I sent out this alert. I bought this beverage company on December 8, 2020, only $94.33 at the time. So because I like that company, fundamentally I plan to hold it, but I did not expect it to jump more than double after I bought it. After I sent out alert. So it might be time for me to sell. So let's see. So stock number 1. This is a hint. Do you know what this stock could be? Comment below if you know the stock. So that's BBBY, Bed Bath and Beyond Inc. So 7 days ago, it was only $25.11. 6.41 billion company. Right now, it's 35.33. It came back down, but I believe that it's gonna go back up again because it's a 10 story. So they have a new management, and they are also putting out the e-commerce. They are start to focusing on online shopping rather than the shops, brick and mortar shops. So 1 month ago, it was only $18.65. 1 month ago, that's where I bought it. Around where I bought it. So that's really crazy. So now 52-week high is 52.9. So I believe it's gonna go back up again, around $50 to $70. The price range. That's my price target. So 4.2 billion. So I'm gonna talk about my price targets on the rest of the stocks at the end of the video as well. So GameStop stock is 22.67 billion. Here's 4.28. This could be a nice GameStop. Remember this GameStop doesn't become 325 overnight or 483 overnight. It took a few weeks. So remember that. So BBBY and Fitz National Beverage just started coming up again. So it could go for the next few weeks as well. As long as these companies are doing better, they surprise the investor. So the short, they need to cover. For that. So for the GameStop, I'm not sure if they could be doing a great job. I know this, so they could not turn around. This is gonna be the next blockbuster. This in my opinion, this gonna go bankrupt. So if you bought GameStop, so take the profits while you stay calm. So congratulations to my stock members who bought this BBBY. When I sent out the alert on January 5th, it was on 19.76 at the time. I bought the stock and I sent out the alert after that. So congratulations if you bought it. So what I will do. So right now, this is what it looks like. I National Beverage. I bought it when it went down again. So now it's pretty high profits right now. Of course, it went to 197 before, 196 before, but it's all right. I still make profits. If it goes down to 120, I will still make nice profits as well. So there's nothing for me to worry about. There's nothing for me to for my stock members clubs to worry about as well, because they got their notice and I believe they bought it as well. So BBBY, yeah, I still have a pretty nice margin as well. So my target price will be for National Beverage will be for 180 and $200, and BBBI will be for $50 to $70. I might sell some shares, just to take profits, but I don't mind holding it just to get to my target price. I believe they have a really nice strong resistance. The shares went back down, but they will go back up again. So we look at the short float, 62.62% for Fizz, National Beverage, and BBBY 65.72%. That's pretty high short interest. Of course, every investment has risk, so make sure you invest only what you can afford to use. This video is only for entertainment purposes only, and you're not investment advice to buy or sell any stock. Do your own independent research before buying or selling any securities. So if you're interested, you can join my stock club. So the gold Bitcoins I send out the stocks that I believe that after 3 or 5 years it could double or triple or maybe multiples. So this is good for somebody who has a long-term mindset, who is busy professionals. I don't have time to do day trade, but I want to know more about long-term high potential, high growth stock. So this will be the one. You could also get benefits of Save Up Bitcoin as well. Save Up Bitcoin is a dividend. So every time I buy a dividend stocks, I send out an alert as well. This is for Save Up Bitcoin for retirement. You can also apply. So you get these benefits. And for trading Bitcoin, if somebody, I want to grow my account really quickly. I have a few thousand. So I want to buy and I want to sell today, or maybe I want to buy today, I want to sell tomorrow. Swing trade, you're gonna know my momentum trade and my stock watches as well. You get a direct access to me on private chat as well. Also, you also gonna get my focus on prediction what's gonna happen to the stock markets in the next month or in the next week. So you also get benefits of Save Up Bitcoin. And some people ask me if I want these two at the same time, is it possible? Yes, it can, but it's gonna cost you $104. So I created this bilateral Bitcoin to save you money. It's gonna save you $16 a month. So you can get everything from gold Bitcoin and traded Bitcoin, and plus very very special high growth stock. Below small companies that has a very high potential to 5 times or 10 times. So that I believe. So I'm gonna buy and I'm gonna send out alert here. You're gonna get benefits for Save Up Bitcoin, Gold Bitcoin, and Trading Bitcoin as well. So we have limited space. So if you see space remaining, you take that. It could go really quick. So yeah, the links down below, and you can also type in this link, bid.ly, research inside of Patreon as well. So trading requires special skills just like investing. In my experience, those who are good at investing also get better at trading much easier. A lot happens when preparation meets opportunity. So study hard so you are always ready when that opportunity comes. And you don't need to have a few $100,000 in stocks just like me. So I started with only $10 a day, a few hundreds, 1,000 that grew to a few 100,000. So that's the habits that's going to change your life. So start with that. So start with $10 a day or a few thousand. It doesn't matter. So what's most important is you need to start right now. So there are useful links for you in the description as well. You can get free audiobooks. You can get 4 free stocks during the promotions. There are 3 brokerage. One you can open all 3 of them. So you get free bonus or whatever, I want to give it to you. If you want to become a real estate agent, you can take the required course as well. If you are paying more than $15 a month for your cell phone plan, you're paying too much. I only pay $15 for unlimited mobile plan as well. Free travel credits and best credit cards are also in the link below, and you can join the stock membership club if you want. So if you want to reach out to me, the best way, comment below YouTube video, and you can reach out to me on Facebook or Instagram as well. So you can, don't forget to get free stocks and audibles in the description comment. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.